so can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Hiroko Kubo.
Okay, very great. Where do you live?
I live in Shimabara in Nagasaki.
Shimabara? Wow. So how long did it take from Shimabara to coming to Tokyo?
It takes 2 hours by plane.
Oh, 2 hours?
2 hours.
Oh, okay, very great. Okay, that's good. So, okay, before coming to this seminar, what did you like studying English? Was English difficult for you?
Yes, English study is very difficult, I thought, but and I didn't know how to study English, but this seminar I try to speak English very hard, and it's important to speak by perfect block English. Speak it out.
Yes, very, very good. Okay, so 2 days, you've studied, and do you feel any changes? So before and after, do you feel any changes?
I feel how to study. It's very important to study English. Anyway, speak. Don't be shy. And I try to translate to English in my daily life.
Very, very good. Okay, so after this seminar, what are your goals? Your goal?
I want to see the TV or dramas, cinema, without subtitles. And when I go to abroad, I speak to foreigners in English. I want to see freely. I want to speak English freely, fluently. To many people.
Okay, very, very good. So, did you enjoy this seminar? It was, 2 days. It's a very long time, but did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a good time. I think I came to think how to study English conversation. So you can speak English.
Very good. So, okay, after this seminar, how long are you going to study English? 1 day?
1 day?
Yes.
Maybe I can study English 10 minutes a day.
10 minutes a day? Promise?
Promise.
Very, very good. Okay, so she promised.